Hello everyone, today I'll be explaining how an Arduino can control 7-segment display using an infrared remote. The main components for this project are an Arduino Uno board, an infrared receiver module, a common anode 7-segment display, and a standard IR remote control. The goal is to press a button on the remote and have the display show the matching number from 0 to 9. In the code, the IR remote library is included to let the Arduino Uno read signals from the remote. Each button on the remote sends a unique hexadecimal value which the Arduino recognizes. For example, the button 0 sends this code 0xFD30CF, while the button 1 sends this code 0xFD08F7. Inside the loop, the Arduino checks for these values and calls the function that lights up the correct segments of the display. A 7-segment display has 7 main segments plus the decimal point. By turning specific segments on or off, we can form numbers. Since I'm using a common anode display, the logic is inverted. Setting a pin low turns the segment on. For instance, to display 1, only segments B and C are turned on. For display 4, segments B, C, F, and G lights up. To display 8, all 7 segments are turned on. So in summary, these projects combine IR signal decoding with display control. It's a simple yet powerful way to learn how to input devices, like remotes, can interact output devices like a 7-segment display using Arduino Uno. Thank you so much for listening and have a good day.